Komshibanta ban penkre akabede bakajing sedang jong kedor bar senrai. Menteri Rangba kejelau Conrad kongkal Sangma ulalu mekajingelang jong ka sorkar senrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA haka pratrik unai lur haka bakle taisani halor ki babon kimat. Ki MLA ki baran hagaliang sensyar kle taisani halor kimat kebede baka syongsok syongsan kajing tung ya judicial inquiry ban toket ya kajing jaha ka khatlai trik unai lar halor kajing sya apniap uba cheris to feel thank you. Conrad kongkal Sangma uloong bakle kran hakabayday bakajing temu kaliang pyrshah banra daka no confidence motion ne kajing bom don jingshanya asyo yu Lamphang yang dorbar tauan kejela uba met ba lengdo. Bat ki MDA kelapen tikna ban penrem ya keninga motion. Ulapen syairu haki MLA halor ki bubun kimat ki bak sorkar kelashim kia bat kle kran ru hakabayday bakajing temu ban penkela thamai ki kendon jong ka 6th schedule bat ki weki kimat. Halor ke jingdawa ban weng kam shipor ki hea pulet Menteri Rangba uloong balatung ya ke judicial inquiry ban lap ke jing shisha baro. Bat kumta ki pat ba ke de ban long ke yasha ban ap shwai ke bami na ke jing tokit.
We have briefed the honorable MLAs of the MDA on the different issues that are there that we can expect in the session. At the same time, we briefed them also about the overall situation that's prevailing in the state. We briefed them about the law and order issues. We also briefed them about the issues of the no confidence motion that is being moved against the speaker, and we discussed on how we will be moving forward. The deputy speaker also has briefed everybody regarding the different rules and provisions in regards to that. So these discussions took place. We also discussed about the 6th schedule amendment. Some of the MLAs wanted clarification on that issue. So those have been clarified also to the MLAs. And apart from that, there were certain other issues that the MLAs had raised at the individual level. So those were discussed. So it was mainly, as I said, the entire objective was to bring the MDA partners together to prepare for the upcoming session, which is starting with 10th. So obviously, we are going to make sure that this resolution is defeated, or this motion, or the no confidence motion is defeated, and all the partners in the MDA today, the representative of all the parties were there, and all of them have resolved that we are united, and MDA is united, and we will ensure that this motion is defeated when it's brought to the floor of the House. We will see the procedures, how it goes, and then accordingly things will unfold. But as I said, the overall resolution that was passed today in the meeting was to ensure that this motion, that is being no confidence motion that is being brought in, will be defeated, and all the MDA partners have supported. So we have been very clear from day one that there is an inquiry that's going on, and when the inquiry is going on, we have to wait for the inquiry's results to come out and what the inquiry will bring out. It is completely unfair for us to take action against anybody without a proper inquiry and finding out who the responsible people are. So therefore, it is not possible for us to say that who will be responsible or not. And that's the reason why we have instituted this inquiry, so that the truth can come out. And therefore, all the people who are demanding this, I would urge them that you should be patient. You should wait for the inquiry to be completed. And